Welcome to our detailed comparison of two powerful AMD processors, the Ryzen 55600X and the Ryzen 9 7900X. In this video, we will explore their specifications, performance, and value for money to help you decide which processor is the best fit for your needs. Whether you're a gamer or a content creator, understanding these differences is crucial for making an informed purchase. When it comes to performance, the Ryzen 55600X features 6 cores and a maximum boost clock of 4.6 GHz, making it a solid choice for gaming. However, the Ryzen 9 7900X takes it a step further, with 12 cores and a boost clock of up to 5.6 GHz, which is ideal for multitasking and demanding applications like video editing. The increased core count and clock speed of the 7900X provide a significant advantage for users who require high processing power. Price is a crucial factor for many buyers. The Ryzen 55600X is priced at $299, making it a budget-friendly option for gamers who want great performance without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the Ryzen 9 7900X comes with a higher price tag of $549, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. If you're looking for the best value for gaming, the 5600X is hard to beat. But if you need top-tier performance for professional tasks, the investment in the 7900X may be worthwhile. In terms of features, the Ryzen 55600X supports DDR4 memory and is built on the AM4 platform, which is widely compatible with existing motherboards. In contrast, the Ryzen 9 7900X supports the latest DDR5 memory and is designed for the AM5 platform, offering future-proofing and access to the latest technologies. This makes the 7900X a more suitable choice for users looking to build a cutting-edge system that can handle the latest software and applications. In conclusion, the AMD Ryzen 55600X offers excellent performance for gaming at a more budget-friendly price, while the Ryzen 9 7900X is a powerhouse designed for users who need more cores for demanding tasks. Your choice ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. If gaming is your main focus, the 5600X is a great value. However, if you require more processing power for productivity, the 7900X is the better option. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.